Everyone, today I'm gonna talk about Platina's problem. Is backlight spontaneously on? So I will show you how to solve the problem. So there are two options in here. One is the hand brake light switch. Over here, as you can see, there is a switch. This is the switch, and another is paddle brake light switch, which is situated in here. Here, you can see. So my one I have to detect first. Okay. At first, I will go for the handbrake option. So I'm opening the handbrake backlight switch. Okay, I've got the problem while I detached the brake light switch, hand brake light switch. The light got turned off, so the problem is detected, and as you can see, I've got another brand new brake light switch. So I will now replace this one. So the main problem is with the push switch in the brake light. As you could see, this is the old one. The push switch give a pressure on this circuit, and then while it get pressure, then it blinks, the light blinks. So this push switch is made of plastic, so I don't know, it got damaged, and I will replace with the new one, the brand new one. So the problem I got is with the push switch. So first of all, you have to find out the problem. You don't need to replace the whole thing. So first of all, because the thing which comes with the original parts is always valuable, is always valuable. So don't try to change the original parts. So first of all, you have to detect the problem and then work with that. As you will place the light in here, so you will see that there is a place to settle the, as you can see, there's a place, there's a hole, making it clear. So to place the thing in there's a place to put it there, and then you have to screw with this, so it is really easy task. So as I'm holding my camera with my hand, so it is really difficult to video with this. So I will show you after fixing it. As you can see, I have placed the white push push switch and the inside of the hole, as I showed, and now I will screw it. You have to see the place, how it will place. It will replace, so it is in the right place. So let's see whether the problem is solved or not. Now I have to screw it. As I'm screwing, I'm tightening the screw of that device, backlight switch. You can see And now I will turn on the key. Let's see whether it is fixed or not. Yes, as you saw that the light was blinking, now it isn't. So I will show you. Oh, the same issue is happening. So it has got the problem with the device. So I will change the device. So guys, I have unscrewed the front part, and then I'm trying to unscrew these. Yes, I have unpinned, and then I will attach the brand new one. So as I mentioned, that the old one has got problem. It has got direct with the connection, and I don't know, it's disturbing a lot, and in the future it will create a lot of problem for me, so it will consume a huge amount of my battery. So I really don't want to lose my battery because it will increase my cost. So I have already pinned with that the new one, the brand new one. Now what I will do is I will fix it with the I will attach it with the screws. Okay, so guys, I have already fixed it, the brand new one, and as you can see, it's working. The light is blinking. Before that it was continuously blinked, and now I've fixed it. Now I've fixed it. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you again.